This aircraft behind me is an Air Tractor 802. They're powered by Pratt & Whitney, and the engine produces 1700 horsepower. They'll carry just over 3,000 litres. It's fitted with a blue door whereby that's fully electronic, so you can do your drop in just over 1.5 seconds. And if need be, you can reduce the drop to cover just over 800 metres. So this aircraft has 3 primary roles. First of all, rapid initial attack. So that's to keep the fire small in the early stages of the fire. Secondly is head fire attack, so we try and take the heat out of the main portion of the fire. And thirdly is supporting the grounds crew as far as keeping it nice and cool and supporting bulldozers and that type of thing up the fire line.